How to close your Acorns account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, there are two options, the one from the app and the other one from the website. Now to close your account, go to Acorns app, log into your account. From the home screen, tap the profile icon, then tap on settings. After you've tapped on settings, tap on My Subscription. Scroll down to Manage Subscription and then tap on Cancel Subscription. And after that, in your website, log into your account on acorns.com, tap Profiles and Settings, tap on My Subscription, scroll down to Manage Subscription and Cancel Subscription. After you cancel your subscription, you can simply log out and your account will be closed. So make sure you finish your whole month's subscription and cancel it. After that, it will stop cutting money from your account and your account will actually cancel. This is how to close your Acorns account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.